How to stop Instagram story sharing to Facebook. In this video, I'm going to guide you to stop sharing your Instagram stories to Facebook as well. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, update your Instagram app so that you can enjoy the latest features on it. And then open the Instagram application. Make sure you already have logged in or signed in to your Instagram account and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile feed. On this section, you have to select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you reach on the settings and activity page, at the top there is account center. So let's open it. Once you open it, you will see different options here. Simply under connected experience, you will see sharing across profiles. Open it and choose your Instagram account. As you can see that here is sharing from the Facebook account of your Facebook. So in order to stop Instagram story sharing to Facebook, if your Instagram story is toggle on in this way, you need to toggle off the button so that there will not be any automatic sharing of your Instagram stories to the Facebook.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.